Hey there, my name is Jaime Hogan. I am the director of Place Philosophy, and at Place Philosophy we do all the things that you need to be an amazing regenerative human on this planet. So we look at well-being, we look at design, and we look at leadership, and bringing the very essence of you out into the world to help the planet through the transition that we all need to be going through at the moment. So I joined the 2021 season 2 Holistic Business Mistressmind, and it was such an amazing experience to be surrounded by other women who are bringing their gifts and their amazing offerings into the world. It was so inspiring every week to have a collective to actually drop into and be held accountable for my own mission. And also for helping cheer on others and being able to see the beautiful process that is creation come to life. So if you're a business owner, and even if you have a sort of side hustle but you don't quite see yourself as a business owner yet, I would highly recommend jumping into this container. Leticia will teach you how to own a business. And that can be a lot about mindset as well. So actually shifting from, I have a side hustle, which is what I thought that I did as well, to actually going into, I am an owner of a business and here is how I'm operating as a CEO on a daily basis. So that shift in itself is pretty profound. But if you're also looking for a community of amazing women to really go deep and look at, how you can bring your gifts to the world, how you can better reshape or make little tweaks to your programs so that they're a better offering for you. How to actually validate your program, and then looking at how to put systems in place to continue to operate in a way that becomes more easeful. One of my particular favorites about the Holistic Business Mistressmind was the chat that we have, and just being able to go through and every week sort of set what my intention is, and then every week be able to go through a celebration. So we have celebrations on Fridays about what you've achieved that week or something that you've noticed that's shifted. And that particular energy has just been so amazing. And actually, as we ended and we went through Christmas, New Year's and the holiday season, it was something that I was really missing. So we've actually just started that chat up again, which is awesome. So the accountability and the celebrations that you'll receive and be able to celebrate others are really exciting. So personally, I've had, the confidence to be able to enroll more people and be able to, develop my program in a way that I feel really proud to offer what I have created at Place Philosophy. And I think that a lot of that energetics has really come from the Holistic Business Mistressmind, of feeling like I am a business owner, feeling like I have something that's really worth offering, and the support of the group and the support of Leticia has really helped me to feel that and feel confident in being able to continue to offer that out in the world. So I would highly recommend, if you're thinking about it or if you're on the fence, the Holistic Business Mistressmind is an amazing container. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in one in the future. Thank you.